Is it all clean? Thank you for your help, River. You're being so awesome. Thank you for sweeping.
Daddy's turn, Daddy's turn.
Yep, Daddy's turn. Today what we're doing is building the interior walls for a bathroom. And then I'll build the exterior walls for a loft. It's actually going to be above the bathroom. So this is the door to the bathroom. I had previously chalked out lines on the ground where I need to put those walls, so I didn't have to measure this point. I just had to follow the lines that I already had, and then I just had to square them. Once I had the bottom nailed down secure, I just had to make sure everything was plumb. When using a level to check to make sure you're building things correctly, there's two terms you use. There's level and then there's plumb. Level is horizontal if you're checking to make sure the right side is the same height as the left side, whereas plumb means vertically everything is directly right on top of each other. Now that I have the bottom nailed in and secure, I can check for plumb of this wall by putting the level right there and then making sure that it is completely straight vertically, so that way it is 100% plumb. And I can nail it in against that exterior wall and know that that wall is exactly where it should be, because I already followed the chalk lines which I had on the ground. It's nailed there, and then if it's plumb going up, then everything is perfectly fine. Now that I have my walls ready to go, I'm going to start building the floor of the loft. So I start with what's called a rim joist, which is a 2x4 I'm using on the both ends of where my floor joists are going to go, so they have a place to butt into. And then I put my floor joist to span all the way across, which again are 2x4s, and then I nail them into on the ends through that rim joist. So it creates a nice sturdy floor. And then I've pre-built this wall here, which is actually going to be a pony wall. It's a little short wall extension of the exterior wall for where we're going to have the loft, which will have a shallower pitch. So we'll have our roof coming in at the angle you can see behind me for the main room, and then we'll have the roof at a different pitch, or like a different level. So you'll have about 3 feet here for our loft where you're going to have your bed. Now that I'm getting this wall completely put together, I'm going to bring up another wall that I built ahead of time to make it easier, because I could build it in my garage. And here I'm sliding it into place, and this is going to be the wall that separates the rest of the tiny house from the loft, so you actually have a little bit of privacy up there. I forgot I had to put in a couple of blocks for the bottom plate of this pony wall to sit on. So I'm throwing in the blocks, and I'll go in and I'll stand up this wall, nail it all together, and then you'll have the loft and the bathroom framing done.
Things are now really starting to take shape, so if you want to follow us on our progress as we finish this tiny house, please subscribe and let us know what you think. See you next time.